Before disassembling the Playard, start by removing all the accessories and the mattress. Then, rotate the center handle at the bottom of the Playard counterclockwise to unlock and pull upward. Keep the center up while unlocking all 4 side rails by pressing the center latch on each rail. Check each side is completely unlocked before continuing. Gather the frame legs together until completely folded as shown. Lay the mattress flat and place the folded Playard in the middle of the mattress. Wrap the mattress around the frame and secure by using the hook and loop fasteners to hold it together. From there, you can place inside the included travel bag when needed.